Alrighty guys, as promised, starting a bit of a vlog up on the modification of my new to me, NT Pajero after riding off our old NP. Things about the NP that I really liked and some things we've done really well when modifying it. We had it for quite a lot of years. It's done a lot of Ks all around Australia, and I'd like to do the same with the NT. Like all manufacturers, Mitsubishi over the years have got cheaper with their parts. So the first thing I'm doing today is changing out these hideous sun visors from the NT. They don't have the extendable thing, they're that crappy vinyl. Very easy mod and very worth it just to have the NP's slidable visors. Nice velour that matches the steering as well. Mine's a bit dirty, obviously, been around a while. The only thing that the NT doesn't have is the loom for the illuminating lights, but that's not a problem. It'll still fit up just nicely. Alright. So as you can see, mine are a little bit dirty, but much better with that extendable sun visor. Very quick, easy and cheap mod. Should be able to pick these up at the wreckers pretty cheap. Nice velour instead of the vinyl of the other ones. Cheers.